Iran has proposed to open its blockade of the Strait of Hormuz in exchange for the United States lifting sanctions and ending the ongoing conflict, according to regional officials. The proposal was conveyed to US through Pakistan. It reportedly suggests that discussions on Iran's nuclear program be taken up at a later stage. However, US President Donald Trump is said to be unlikely to accept the offer as nuclear concerns remain central to Washington's position. The Strait of Hormuz, which handles nearly 20% of global oil and gas trade, remains a key flashpoint. Iran's restriction of the route has disrupted global supply chains, with oil prices rising sharply. Brent crude is currently trading at around $108 per barrel, nearly 50% higher since the conflict began. Officials indicated that the US blockade aims to cut off Iran's oil revenues, while Iran's control over the strait has put pressure on global markets and US allies in the Gulf. A ceasefire between the US and Iran, agreed on April 7th, continues to hold but remains fragile. The conflict, which began on February 28, has already resulted in thousands of casualties across the region. Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi is currently in Russia for talks with President Vladimir Putin as diplomatic efforts continue. Iran has also engaged with Pakistan, Oman, Qatar, and Saudi Arabia in an attempt to revive stalled negotiations. Sources said Iran is insisting on lifting the US blockade before resuming full talks, while mediators are trying to bridge differences between the two sides. The war has had a wide regional impact, with casualties reported in Iran, Lebanon, Israel, and among US forces, even as ceasefire arrangements in parts of the region have been extended.